The mother at the center of one of the most horrific child abuse cases in LA County has cut a deal with prosecutors. 8-year-old Gabriel Fernandez died after he was tortured, starved, and put in a closet. KCAL 9's Dave Lopez is live in downtown LA with details on what his mom agreed to. Dave?
Well, Juan, it's over. There will not be a trial. A jury will not have to hear what you describe. Can only be gruesome testimony of how a mother simply mistreated her 8-year-old son to the point that he died. He was tortured, and it was some testimony at the trial of her boyfriend that literally turned your stomach. But that won't happen again because she confessed to it all in court.
Is that correct, Defendant Pearl Fernandez?
Yes.
And with that soft yes, 34-year-old Pearl Fernandez, the mother of 8-year-old Gabriel Fernandez, pleaded guilty. Guilty to willfully and knowingly killing her son and torturing him.
Do you fully understand the plea?
Yes.
By pleading guilty and not having a trial, Ms. Fernandez will not face the death penalty. Her plea agreement stipulates that she will never file an appeal and she will spend the rest of her life in state prison. No chance at all of parole.
I knew in my heart that she was doing what he said she was doing.
Jennifer Garcia, Gabriel's second-grade teacher, recalling a parent-teacher conversation she had with Pearl Fernandez in the fall of 2013.
We're talking about, his reading level or something, or, his report card, and she said, because I don't hit my kids. And she said, because I don't hit my kids, I make them do exercises.
But the evidence does show, and now Ms. Fernandez admits it, she did hit Gabriel over and over again. So much so that he died from the abuse in May of 2013 at the age of 8.
Are you relieved that there will be no trial involving Pearl Fernandez?
That's I don't know if I can answer that question.
And after a brief pause, he answered it this way.
I'm relieved for the fact that that testifying in front of their mom would have been incredibly traumatic.
He was referring to the older brother and sister of Gabriel Fernandez, who testified at the trial of Pearl Fernandez's boyfriend, Isara Aguirre, who was found guilty of the torture murder of Gabriel and who was given the death penalty. Testimony in that trial was brutal, and the older brother and sister would have had to testify a second time, but not now.
And you're satisfied that justice has been served here?
Yes.
Pearl Fernandez looked straight ahead in court today, never looked around, showed no emotion, and didn't shed any tears. She will be formally sentenced on June 7th, and earlier, before she entered her plea, there was some thoughts by her attorneys to go ahead with the trial and use the defense that because her IQ is so low, she couldn't tell the difference between what was right and what was wrong. That idea was quickly shelved, and she pleaded out today. Back to you in the studio.
All right, Dave, thanks for that.